Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on July 13, 2022. 2-star Sudoku. Second grade. And 8th grade. We have pair numbers 3 and 9. So 3 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. 6th row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column F, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 7. Second row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Third row, then column G, we have 4 and 6. So 4 and 6 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining. 8 is confirmed here. Column F and 8th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 8th grade, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. 10th row, we already have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Column G, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 1 to 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Third row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 7. First grade. Column J, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. The 1 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column C, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 8th row or 9th row, we have pair numbers 4 and 8. So 4 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. Column D, we already have 4. So 4 can't come in this cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. 10th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column I, we already have 2. So 2 can't come in the cell. 2 is confirmed here. The 9 is here. 9th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 7, 5. 7th grade, we already have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Ninth grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 7. Column J, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. 8th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1 to 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 6, 7, 8. Column H, column J, we have 6. 7th row also we have 6. So 6 can't come these cells. Then 6 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column B, column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 4. Then 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Column D, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. In first grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 6. It will come in one of the two cells. Second row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Second row, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 8. Column J, we already have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Third grid, we already have 8, so 8 can't come in this cell, 8 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Fourth row, two numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. Column H, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 3 is here. Column H, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 7, it will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Column D, we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, and then 7 is here. Fifth row and sixth row, we have 4, so 4 can't come in these cells, then 4 is confirmed here. Column J, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 3. Sixth row, we already have 3, so 3 can't come in this cell, 3 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Sixth row, we have 1 and 2, so 1 and 2 can't come in this cell, it will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 8 is confirmed here. Sixth row, two numbers are remaining, 5 and 7. Column B, we already have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Column G, only one number is remaining, 7 is confirmed here. Since 7 is here, so 7 can't come in this cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column B, column D, and 7th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come in these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Column B, column C, we have 5. Fifth row also we have 5. So 5 can't come in these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Column C, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 9. 7th row, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. 7th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. 5th row, two numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column D, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Fourth grade, only one number is remaining, 3 is confirmed here. 7th grade, two numbers are remaining, 1 and 2, it will come in one of the two cells. Column B, we already have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.